Artificial intelligence is becoming more prevalent in every industry, including the legal system. Now, while experts say AI can benefit someone in need of legal help, lawyers are more frequently getting caught using AI to create their filings entirely.
It is now more or less, a weekly event that this happens to some lawyer that kind of didn't realize people would check these things or look into it.
Lawyer Ryan Abbott says there's nothing intrinsically problematic about lawyers using AI. However, those lawyers need to be aware of what they sign their name on.
At the end of the day, the lawyer signing their name to a pleading needs to take responsibility that what's in the pleading is accurate to the best of their knowledge. And if they've just asked a generative AI system to draft something, not validated it, and submitted it, they're not doing that.
There are consequences for lawyers caught using AI, especially when it leads to errors. Those consequences include sanctions, impacts on the case, and even more for repeat offenders.
You can get referred to a state bar, and a state bar can censure, suspend, or even, for egregious enough instances.
Lawyers aren't just using AI to write legal documents. They're also using it for tasks outside the courtroom.
It's used, very highly for things like discovery. It used to be you'd have, basements full of lawyers and banker boxes going over documents, and now everything gets uploaded to e-platforms and AI goes through it. You still have a lot of human review, though.
If you're in the market for a lawyer, there's no real legal obligation for them to tell you if they plan to use AI in your case. Now, one thing the industry sees as a benefit to increased AI use is more legal access for average Americans.
Lawyers tend to be fairly expensive and frankly beyond the means of most normal people to pay for most legal needs. AI systems may do something comparable at a small fraction of the price.
That's leading to more Americans representing themselves and using AI to help file legal documents.
It's effectively impossible to stop people from doing that. So I think courts are primed when self-represented individuals file things to be a bit more skeptical about what they're filing.
Abbott said AI isn't going away in the legal system and will likely continue to permeate the industry.
It has a lot of very exciting benefits as well to improving legal practice, cutting down on costs, dispute resolution timeframes, and doing all sorts of useful things. So I'm very excited to see what happens with AI and the law from here.
For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Keenan. If you want more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit san.com.